Shellharbour City Libraries celebrated the opening of the new Warilla branch library in 2019. Warilla Library's eye-catching, iconic design quickly became a local landmark, drawing residents into a welcoming indoor-outdoor space. Generous glassed areas wrap around an attractive courtyard, an ambient space for reading and activities, complete with lush plantings and seagull sculptures. The building's light, airy ambience reflects the library's beachside location. The carpet expresses the changing colors of the ocean, the shelving panels echo the color of driftwood. A captivating mural at the rear of the library features the blue-banded bee which is local to Warilla. Comfortable furniture and meeting spaces deliver on the aspiration for a community lounge room. Collections are displayed by genre with extensive use of face-out display to provide a serendipitous browsing experience. Staff rove the library to assist customers where they are. Warilla Library was proud to host a visit from the IFLA Library Building's Equipment Study Tour in March 2023.